I've tried for 15 years to put into just a few words or a simple sentence the keys to success in selling online, whether you're doing affiliate marketing or drop shipping or private labeling through Amazon. And I haven't found the perfect words or the perfect sentence yet. But I will tell you the answer involves things that most people are not really thinking about when they ask the question. If I had to put it into 2 words right now, I would say planning and patience. Most people fail before they ever really get started. They're so anxious to get to the starting line, they fail to put the work in beforehand and set themselves up for success. If you're looking at private labeling on Amazon, that failure may be that you don't put in the hours necessary to find a good product. You don't put in the research and the market testing to see if a market really exists for the product that you're thinking about selling. You just see something, you get excited about it, and you order 1,000 units only to have those 1,000 units sit in a warehouse somewhere, and then you're soured on the whole selling online process from that point forward because you think it just doesn't work for you. When if you'd put in the work beforehand, it would have worked for you. There's a formula here. It's like baking a cake. And what I do is I teach that formula to my students. And the people who follow that formula have success. Now, whether they make millions of dollars or hundreds of dollars, that's kind of up to them. But in terms of proving that the formula works over and over and over, they definitely have success in proving that the formula works. It's just a question of putting all the ingredients in the bowl and then mixing. It's, to use my cake analogy, if you skip steps, if you skip ingredients, you may still be successful, but the outcome is far less certain, and you run the risk of failing in your endeavor when that really didn't need to be the case. The other word I used was patience. Once you put your plan into motion, give it time to work. So many people have it in their head that they're going to go from nothing to being a $1 million Amazon salesperson in 60 days. And I've never seen that happen. It may be possible, but in general, it doesn't happen. It takes time. I think going from 0 to $1 million in sales on Amazon in a year is totally doable. That's an achievable goal, but it takes a year. It's not going to be something that happens in a week or 2 weeks or a month. You have to put your plan in motion and then give it time to actually work. Give the market a chance to find your product and to like your product and tell more people about it and drive more people to your product. And then the next thing you know, you're doing more business than you really ever imagined. But again, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes some time, and it takes some planning, and it takes some tweaking along the way to really optimize your results. But with all that said, there's no reason anyone watching this video can't be successful. But you do need to have patience, and you do need to put in the planning beforehand. Have a plan, execute the plan, and then give the plan time to work. Those are the real keys to success.